Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. It's Sam over here. In this video, I'm going to show you the preview of 5 editable wedding invitation card templates in PSD format. They are all in BIFOV A5 paper size. Please check out the download link in the description of this video. After downloading the zip archive, you will need the password to extract the files. So find out the password in this video. Then, you may also need to install some fonts required for the text, so make sure to check out the font source links in the text file attached within the folder. Then open the download links on your web browser. Download the fonts. And install them on your computer. That's all the information you need to know for these free PSD wedding invitation templates. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button for more future uploads. Share this video with your friends as well if you like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Alright, without further ado, let's see how they look like and enjoy!